Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to create PDF and PDF templates in a mobile web view. So first of all, let's log to the BoloForms dashboard and then click on to the create option over here. And once you click on to the create option, you will be able to see three different options to create forms, PDF and PDF templates. So we'll check this out how it's working in a PDF. So click on to PDF and here you will be able to see the different options where you can upload the PDF file to your PDF editor. So either you can upload it directly from your mobile or you can upload it from your Google Drive, OneDrive or Dropbox. So to check this out, I'm using the default template that we have. So after adding the PDF, you can fill on all the other necessary details. So I'm filling out the signer's name and email IDs and then fill in the subject and body and then fill in the email address whom you want the signed copies to be sent to and then click confirm. And now we've been redirected to the PDF editor. Now that the editor is open, here you will be able to see a plus button. So when you click on to this plus button, you will be able to see all the different fields that we can add to our PDF. So I'll check this out with the signature field. So when I click on to the signature field, you will be able to see a signature box here. Just click and drag the box and place it where you want it to be placed. Since I have added my default signature already and I have assigned myself as the signer, my signature has been added here by default. Likewise, in order to change the signature or any other field for a different signer, you can click onto this plus button again and click onto the change role option over here and select the other signer and then click onto the required field again. So I'm clicking onto the signature field again. Click and drag the box and place it where you want it to be placed. In this way, you can add any other field to your PDF like initial, stamp, text, number, date, etc. However you want it to be added or placed in your PDF. So I am clicking on to the send via email option. So our document has been sent successfully and this is how you can sign and send a document or send a document for signing through your mobile. Thank you.